We have a tornado warning for a Doppler-based tornado coming for southern Livingston, extreme northern parts of Washtenaw, but even as far south as Ann Arbor. I want you to be advised that there could be some trouble with that particular storm. So we're going to continue to monitor the situation as we zoom in here farther to the south. This storm, this particular cell that you see near Ann Arbor, this has got some pretty heavy rain. It also has been producing a ton of lightning, and as we zoom in, we're still looking at a 3D mode. See these individual signatures here of magenta? This is the stuff where we would possibly be seeing one of those shafts of hail that extends up into the atmosphere, and the higher the shaft goes, the more we have in terms of potential for us to see very large hail, because it's going up to much colder air. I want to take us home, and you can see again this perspective. Much of southeast Michigan, extreme east side, stretching back up toward the thumb, so Port Huron north, and then wandering down I-75, still in the clear. But all of these individual cells are marching to the east, and now they'll come out of country, and they'll be moving from cornfields and places on either side of towns that we all recognize to places that are much more populated and some of the major intersections of highways and byways, where if we have a cell that's only moving at, let's say, 15 miles per hour, this is the kind of cell that will produce very heavy downpours and could cause some flood problems. And we're seeing that now as I zoom in. Whitmore Lake is actually farther east than the words. There's Brighton, US 23, 96 intersection off to Howell. So you can tell this is south of 96. We're looking here at this particular cell. It looks to me like the area of most concern riding either side of the county line of Livingston County, northern parts of Washtenaw County. Still some signature there for hail, and still what appears to be the possibility of a hook echo, and that's the reason the National Weather Service has issued this tornado warning until 6 o'clock this afternoon. We're monitoring all of the weather now as we analyze the situation, and we're using these tools to help us keep an eye on all these individual cells. So Devin, Sandra, I'll send it back to you. Tornado warning in effect even in and around this severe thunderstorm watch, which is for all of us. You feel threatened by any one of these cells, which can always kick up in just a second. I want you to head to the basement, especially kids if you're home by yourself. Get to the basement, the lowest centermost part of your house. Stay away from windows and outside walls, and don't worry about your cell phones and video cameras. I don't need to get pictures. Get away from the windows. If you get a picture of something while you're traveling, that's okay, but I don't want you to make that the whole priority of your afternoon. Get away from windows and outside walls now. Southern parts of Livingston County, northern parts of Washtenaw County. I'll throw it back to you.